Yeah, hello. Yeah, so welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remain the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes, a co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Yeah, so welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Yeah, we'll talk about how to make money online, how to do dollar arbitrage, and how to start your own online company. Yeah, so today I want to introduce you to Neptune Network. So recently I did a video about Neptune Network and a lot of people were finding it difficult of like withdrawing their money because they were on the old Neptune network. So I want to show you how you can be on the new Neptune network, and after that the new things, how you can withdraw your NT coins to USDT and cash out. Yeah. So when I come to the my menu, you see that I have two Neptune network. You can see that I have this one, yeah, and when I go here, I also have this one, yeah. So one is old and one is new. This one is the old one. You see, this one is the old one, and this one is the new one, and this one is the new one. Yeah. So this how you download the new one. I will leave the new one direct app link in the description. So if you click on it, it will download the app directly. You see. So when you download, the app, you open your old app and you go to me. You go to mine. This is your mine. This is you go to mine. This is your the mine. This is this. Then you click on it and you go to backup private key. You see, and you enter your wallet password. After enter that wallet password, the backup keyword will appear. And if it appear, you will click and what to copy it. So after copy it, you go to the new one and you open the new one, and you go to your main and the backup private key. You like if you open it fresh, it will come like create wallet or import wallet. So you have to click on the import wallet. Yeah, the import wallet. So if you click on the import wallet, they will ask you to enter your backup private key. Then you paste that private key over there, and it will be completed, and it will open for you straight. So that's how it is. Yeah. So after opening your new password, right now, if you want to see a lot of things that's going on the platform, I will leave their telegram group link so that you join and also know much about it. Yeah. So right now, if you have NT network, the NT coin, this is the NT coin. If you have the NT coin, you can what? You can exchange the NT coin for what? For reward. You see that thing? You can exchange the NT coin for USDT or TRX. Yeah. So this is how you do it. You click on the exchange. So if you click on the exchange, you'll see that the amount that you have right now will be at the top here. So this is the amount you can withdraw per 5 days. Yeah, this is the amount you can withdraw per 5 days. So let me also show you this thing. Yeah. So you can also participate in the defer this thing. So you just click on this thing. Just click on this icon and it will open for you to participate in DeFi. So DeFi, you just click on the URSDT. You already read and what know it. So you just click on it. You enter the amount. So this right now I have 0.18 USDT. So that means I can't participate in DeFi this thing. So that I can't do it unless I have more than 10. More than 10. So this is how I'll exchange my USDT. I can go here, enter 46.97, That's 12.45. Then I will exchange it. Congratulations, redemption successfully. So right now, if you check here, if you check this record, you see that I've been exchanging USDTs instead of 10. Yeah, so right now I have 12.46. So if I come to the wallet, you see that it will, let me refresh it. You see that right now I have 12.64 USDT in my current USDT wallet. You see that thing? Yeah. So I can choose to participate in a DeFi trade, or I can choose to what? To withdraw my money. I hope you understand it. Yeah, I can choose to withdraw my money, or I can choose to perform it. See, yeah. So right now, if you go to the exchange and you go to the codes, you see that one USDT is equal to 0.26. So it keep on what's going up. Like at first it was 0.24, and right now it's 0.26. You see, so it's keep on what increasing. Yeah, it's keep on increasing. Yeah, and if you participate in a DeFi trade, if you start with 10 USDT every day, you're getting 2.5 NT released. So within a month, you're getting 15 NT released monthly, and 100 USDT every day, we're getting 25 NT released, and 150 NT released monthly. Is that in? So let's say 150. So 150 is 39 USDT. So it's a profit. It's a win-win. It's a win. Is that thing? Yeah. So that's how this thing works. You see, that's how it works. So I've I have 12.64, so I can choose to what, say that okay, I want to transfer. So please enter the payment address. So here you have to enter your payment address over here. You see that thing? You have to enter your payment address over here. So you have to paste it over here. Then after that, you enter the money you want to transfer, and they will deduct you one USDT as gas fee. And after that, you click and bind your Google Authenticator, and that's it. So simple as that. And one thing is, it only accepts TRC20 for now. So you have to post or paste the TRC20 address. Only that one that accepts it. Yeah. So I'll leave their Telegram group that you can see the rate going up. If you want to withdraw your money, you can withdraw it and everything. So thank you for watching me, and don't forget to download their new version so that it works very smooth and it's very nice. Yeah. So that you can also participate and make cash for yourself. Thank you for watching me, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm out.